I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, this is chaos. This is a workshop after spending a week trying to accomplish something in the middle of trying to do several other things. In the past, I've jumped around a bit. I start a project and then I work on it for a while and something stops me and I jump from that project to the next one. Well, when I was doing the scraper planes, I tried to just stay with it. But there were things that I needed to do in the meantime that just had to happen, so I did get distracted from it a bit, but you didn't see it as much because I tried to keep it linear. I made videos about scraper planes. And that's kind of a good thing. It keeps your interest. It doesn't necessarily trip my trigger. I kind of like doing multiple things all the time. I don't want to be bored with any one of them. And if something becomes difficult to do or impossible because I need some part or I can't get time to do the thing that I think needs to be done right at that moment, I'll set it down and I'll go on to another project. I usually have 3 or 4 going at one time anyways. But when that happens, I end up with this. I have a pile of saws on the floor in a box. And I have a grinding wheel sitting in the middle of the room. I have the sewing table set up because I was working on the sheath for the scrapers. My desk is piled high with things that are half done. I have piles of bags here on the floor because for some reason I thought recycling bags would be an interesting project and I wanted to have some raw stock to work with. I have moved a bookcase in here next to the desk so that I can have reference materials because I do a lot of stuff and it's nice to be able to just reach over and grab the book and look it up and find out what's going on. Who knows, I might want to do pulse spray welding or learn tricks and secrets of old-time machinists. Actually, I do use these. A lot of the stuff that I work with, this stuff works. But it means that I have to have days like today where I just go through and put things back. And in the middle of that, I'm going to go through and find things that I want to just hold up in front of the camera and talk about a bit. So bear with me. This is really just an intro to the next week's work, saying that, yeah, I'm in the middle of projects and I got a lot of things going and it's not just all scrapers. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.